Hi friend, today I want to ask a question that why we were all born in this world, what is the meaning of our life, what is the purpose of our life, and why we are living in this world. If you are have you ever tried to find out this thing? If your answer is no, so watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you will get a real life purpose and what is the meaning of our life. So watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. You know that friends, there are two types of thinking regarding the meaning and the purpose of our life. First is we were all born in this world with a specific purpose. This is called dharma in India. Second is we have to give meaning to our life. I like both ideas, but I don't know which one is true, and it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to share with you some characteristic of a great life purpose. First is timeless. If you could use a time machine and go back in past or future, your life purpose would remain the same, right? Second is universal. If you were all born in other different part of the world, your life purpose would remain the same. Third is inspiring. Your life purpose should truly inspiring and allow yourself to unleash your full potential and experience a real sense of fulfillment. When your life, when your real life purpose resonate within you, what you are doing, you don't feel work anymore. Fourth is transcend your ego. You know that most of the people work in order to get fame and recognition in their life by society, right? But you have to understand one thing, and the thing is that the real life purpose should come from the place of love, not of fear. When you have a clear life purpose in your life, you don't act out of fear anymore. Fear of not being a good, not being a smart, not being a worthy. And although we are unlikely to, you know that we are unlikely to get rid of our ego, right? So I will give you some explanation, I will give you some example that can help you to identify your real life purpose. So first is that you have to think about it. How can I leverage my problems? Think about how can I give meaning to our problems and challenges rather than complaining about it. It is possible to give meaning to your, it is possible to take advantage of your problem and challenges and give it meaning to your life, right? Tell me, friend, have you heard the story about the person who was born in Australia with no arm or no legs? But you know, that person found a way to be happy with sharing his story with the world, and he inspired millions of people, right? Because a he found a way to be happy in their life, and he found his life purpose. That's why he is very happy in this, in their life. And second thing is that y- you know what is the meaning of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means God within you. If you don't really love what you are doing, you will never be successful in your life. If you don't follow your passion, you will not be able to move forward in life, because you don't have a passion, and it don't allow you to move forward in life after multiple failure. Only a clear why allow you to move forward in your life. Having a passion is a real success. Not money and fame is success. Having a passion is a great success. And third point is that you have to think about it. How can I give to the world? How can I create a more value to society? Don't think about it. How can I get from society? You have to think about, you have to always think about how can I give, how can I serve to the people and the society. You have to ask a question yourself. If I had a money, if you had all the money and time in the world, what would you do? So answer this question in comments. And the last point is that you have to take a piece of paper and pen and write down the thing, whatever it comes your mind, and don't overthink it. Just write down them whatever comes into your mind until the sentence you cry that you write. So think about it, and if you like this video, so hit the like button. Thank you.